नवमावलिन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायति कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्यनाम्नि गौरतिसे नमः। जय रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्री गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ जय गोसाई करी चरण वंदन जामिते विघ्ननाश अभीष्ट पूरन काल कलिर कलिर्नेन्द्रिय बलिर्नागा भक्ति मार्गैः बन्धुपुरुषा आहात्रयविकलं किमहं करोमि चैतन्यचन्द्रविनाट्यं कृपां करोसि। जय रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ जय गोसाई करी चरण वंदन जामिते अभीष्ट पूरन महाभाव स्वर्गतम कृष्ण प्रिया परिषि भक्ति बलदेवी राधिकेता नमामि। राधे वृंदावनाधीशे करुणामृतवाहिनी कृपया निजपदाब्ज दास्यं मह्यं प्रदीयताम्। वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणाम् आदरणीयवैष्णवः रसान्वयी कथोदितं पुनाति भुवनत्रयम्। अनाराध्यराधा पदाम्बोजरेणु अनाश्रितवृन्दातविन्दत्पदान्तं असम्भाष्य तद्भाववन्दे रचितान् कुतो श्यामसिन्धु रसास्य भगाम। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। बोलो गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, सर्व संतन भक्तन की जय, जय धाम की जय, धामवासी भक्तवृंद की जय, वृंदा देवी की जय, जय वृंदावन धाम की जय, अनंत गुरु विष्णु वृंद की जय। बहुत प्रमाणित morning time, Guru Padma and our Mahamad Krishna Master Ji all are Vrindavan, Dham, Sri Krishna Tarangini, their fourth chapter, fourth canto, fourth chapter, third part canto. So, some hearing. Many times, Guru Bhagavad giving all followers and disciples order, but they are neglecting and they are going on desirability, wrong way, any way, then they are suffering much. And with them, all of them disturbed and suffering. Guru Padma, yeah, God, what and time protecting everybody. And this protection is very strong. But disciples, their conditions on living entity, on desire which is, they are doing many things. But they don't know this is good or bad. This is after how is coming result. They don't know. But after the result is come, there is too much suffering. Now, Sita Kuniya, Sati Devi. Sati Devi, she she like her father, her mother, her sister, and all brother-in-law, everybody she like. And another side, Shiv Thakur, he is saying, don't go there, father near, mother near. Why? They are against of bhakti, against of God, against of me. They are only like on enjoy them and fame. They like on all desire. Help us. Anybody fulfilling their desire, then they are happy. They are complete enjoy. Don't go there. You going, they not like you. Why? You are following me. I am God followers and I am what I am doing bhajan. I am no like anything, I am giving everything give up and down. I am studying devotion place and I am all time Hari Kirtan, Hari Nam, Hari Katha, which I am staying. But the family men, all are is great enjoyer. They like what they like. They are doing yajna, big, and their animals is cutting and offering, and they are inviting everybody. And after all are, why inviting? All are telling you are glorified, you are great, you are famous, you are higher authority. Then it's good. But Guru Varga looking on followers, your disciples, your any others, then anything they did wrong, at a time they say, this is not right for you. But ordinary people, all time is telling, oh, you are great, thank you, but which for I'm giving thank you. In this world, which thank you for this present. Thank you for only God. And that person not thank you. I am telling, but I am cheating them. How can I tell him thank you? He is not following the right path. No relation with his God. No following soul and pure soul. He going wrong way. Now Shiv Thakur telling Sati, please don't go. This is not good for you. Please don't go. Your father no like anything. Your father no like bhakti, no like bhajan. He is not like me. But Sati not hearing. She is crying, weeping, and not more requesting and telling, not asking. He is gone. That time, Sita was thinking what I am doing now. Many followers, many his friends and helpers is sending. Okay, you go, they are sending. But she is gone. Father not looking. Sisters not watching. Brother-in-law not addressing. Nothing. Only mother is came. Mother is addressing, taking left and bringing inside. Nobody talking. The Hari Bhakta, Hari's followers, under guidance of Guru Padma, yeah, God advice order, they follow, then much better. Neglecting them, going anywhere, they are only disturbed. Suffering there. Little later, Sati is watching, there are no more. My Lord Shiva for no place, no room, and everybody is for sheep, everybody is for all respect, but Shiva for no respect. And all Brahmins very proud, and they are disobeying, neglecting in Shiva. Shiva is Jagat Guru, and he is all are helpful, but these Brahmins, his Sati's father, thinking Shankar is against, and all Brahmins, they don't like them. Sati is looking and she is saying, oh, sadhu's nature anywhere is little goodness, then they are giving respect. And lot of bad qualities, sadhu never looking and seeking, not collecting. This is not sadhu nature. And nonsense person, any faults is little bit, this is giving highlight everywhere. And good things hiding. Why? Then I will be small, he will be great. I am telling, oh, these brahmacharis are great. Then I will be small. Why I will be small? Why I am telling them great, then great? No, telling. I am telling this fault. This fault, this fault, this fault. This is my duty. This is nonsense person's philosophy. Sati now, very disturbed. How is this Brahmin? How is my father? Lord Shiva for disobey and telling Shiva that she is very disturbed and she is what saying now? Saying, oh, if there is this body, truthful this God and God followers, you have jealousy, you are fighting and you are disobeying, neglecting in Shiv Thakur, Mahajan. Oh, you don't know what result comes next? She is suffering herself. What saying? असह्य शरीरे जे अपन गरी माने हिंसा बुद्धि होय तार साधु महाजनी. Anybody has too much attachment to the body, then she is all time neglecting sadhu. And any good persons, any bhakta devotees, then insulting. No like more, never like. Then all time neglecting. And why they have attachment to the body? Body is therefore is all time busy, then they are insulting. And kusanga samjoga jar nahi goylas prasangete giye jar mahajan nindiba ekon tarkas kusanga samjoga jar nahi goylas bad association, then one group, one committee. They are very lower nature now. They are any Mahajan, any great person, any honest, they are all time is negative and insulting and faults is correcting. They have no good desire. Prasangate Kejar, Girejar, Sivudvakhar, Jagat Mungal Nam Sarva Bhapavara, Shiv Nam Kirtane, Samsar Dukha Hare, and Sankarar Desh Dijagani Kare, saying Jagat Mungal, all auspiciousness, where is present Shiva, two names inside. That Shiva is all are helping, all stealing anartha, Shiva, destroying all sins and offense and bad nature, bad character, bad association, Shiva Thakur helpful. All time, all tamasi nature, Shiva darkness places, and they are all time involved and engaged with it on enjoy. Shiv Thakur or anartha, she is cleaning. That Shiv Thakur for anybody insulting, or that person how is useless, then taking. Shivanam Kirtane Samsar Dukha Hare, and Sankare Desh Dijagani Kare, Jar Padma Padma, Jogi Chintaye Dhyane, Jar Guna Kirtane, Kare Suragani, and Sankare Sane Baper Vivag, Tahar Duitami, Ebora Vishag, in Brahmins, now helping my father and telling Shankar is bogus and Jogi, Rishi Maharshi, Brahmarshi, all time worshipping Lord Shiva. Without Shiva cannot in this world any helper. Like washerman washing clothes, sweeper cleaning drain and urine toilets and everything. So in this body and mind inside, senses inside, how much I have dirty collection, million life to my prarabdha. But who is helping? She is Vaishnava, Vaishnava Prasamu, Guru. Shiv Thakur only easily helping. Anywhere Krishna desired, I am like this person. Shiv Thakur going, first is cleaning this area, making it nice places, and this person's heart is making nice, and then offering. Lord God to dust with nearby. Anywhere Ram Leela, Krishna Leela, Shiv Thakur going fast. Shiv Thakur, Ram Leela time Hanuman. Krishna Leela time Gopeshwar Mahadev. And Krishna Leela time is Bhim. And sometime is Aditya Mahaprabhu Leela time. All time his desire is helping his devil. That's Shiv Thakur. All is insulting. And my father, so he's saying, my father is not like Shiva. Oh, I am his daughter. I am very sad now. Brahmadi Devajar, Tasta Nai Jane, Nana Sankari, Nisha Kare, Dijagani, Jatabas Madare, Si, Bakshal Kare, Kui Pret Bhut, Isha, Sogini, Sangi Piri, Esa, Sivir Dos Nahi, Janyani, Sabados Jane, Jokir Brahmani. And these Brahmins, they have jealousy for Shiva. Shiva is jet-locked, Shiva is ashes is smiling in body, and Shiva is tiger skin wearing. Shiva uses many ghosts and witches, many other than his ashes, his followers. This is Shiva's fault. Shiva, this guilty. Oh, these Brahmins are now is lost on good knowledge, and their memory is now defeated in Maya. There is no understanding anything. Majan Nindartha Suni Nijokane Hatigan Dhakia Cholibe Totahani Jodibai Tahar Jibga Katia Felibe Maiba on Pran upon his Hadibe. Now Soti saying, anywhere in Vaishnava Ninda, Sadhu Ninda, Guru Ninda, anybody insulting, then that places at a time you left. And closing here, no more hearing, going. And after getting holy river, Ganga, Jamuna, Godavari, Saraswati, Kaveri, and fasting, then you will repent. Otherwise, you are at a time cutting his tongue. Meaning, why he is insulting? Stopping and giving good answer, and he is never more insulting. Therefore, telling him you are how much did wrong. Not possible, then you live in your body. This is much better. Why in this lifetime I am hearing Vaishnava Ninda, Guru Ninda, Acharya Ninda, insulting? This is not good. Otherwise, I am hearing, I am following, then my bhajan, my everything goodness, I lost every time. So he is now very disturbed. Yata Sindrinda Sunilu Sabane, Jogivagi Maisi, Pekinu Noyani, Hanadaka Haikamor, Utpan Nokai, Ideharakutia, Pakitimor, Arna Juai. Now Sati is thinking, oh, I am came here, I am hearing, all are insulting Shiva, my father also. Father is just getting this body. My father, now Shiva against, and my body coming there too. Oh, this body, I cannot like more. And Shiva for no any place, no any Jogya's part for himself. Okay, no, I am this, like this body more. লোক মনে করে সেটা ভোজন যদি করি সেই অন্য পাশে যদি উগারিয়া ফেলি তবে পাশে পরিণাম ভালো হয়, এই দেহ রাখিতে আর উচিত নাই হয়। সেই I am very greedy, eating a lot of undigest, then you vomiting and throwing, then is getting relief for body. Otherwise that is inside body, then only food poison. The idea not only your life will be spoiled and finished. Any Vaishnava Ninda, Guru Ninda, I am hearing, I am stalking, and I am saving myself, then this will be very much poisonous, very disturb, harmful. Then what doing I am? Then she is thinking, this is not good for me. Ved Badaratmati Nahe Mahajan, ये धर्म थाकी करे सधर्म लक्षण प्रवृत्ति लक्षण धर्म वेद मुखे सुनी निवृत्ति लक्षण धर्म से वेद पानी. Anybody Vedas rule regulations following, they are very good fortune, good luck, very lucky, and that person following on dharma and following soul, pure soul, they have good tendency. And Vedas all instruction, principle is following, and then one side favorable things is accepting and unfavorable they are neglecting. Vedas saying one is anukul, favorable, one unfavorable. One is helpful, one is wrong and false. These things not you go following. So now I know I have knowledge. Shiva is Jagat Guru. Shiva is helpful for everybody. My father and Adada, they are insulting. There is against. Which way I am going? I am following father and Brahmins, they are following Shiva. Like in this world, one side all enjoy, another side all Guru Varga, Vaishnava, Mahabhagavad. One side my family, one side only Vaishnava, Bhakta. Which side I am going? Family saying, don't follow, you come. You eating non-veg, you doing enjoy, following enjoy. You come, you will be worker, but you cannot following this Vaishnavism and Bhakti. Then what doing? What is my duty then? Then say, definitely you have knowledge, then you following is whom? Vaishnavism, Vaishnava, Bhakta, Gurudev, yeah God. Now Sati choosing and choosing. One side Karmakandi Brahmin, Yajna, there is enjoy for desire, dictation for desire. One side big committee unity, all demigods. One side Shiva. Sati now thinking, my father and others, they cannot like Shiva. Also not like me. Father is saying, left in Shiva. He is wrong person. All times they are in Tibetan place, but what he is doing? They are doing Nam Sankirtan. All time thinking about God, serving God. All are giving good desire. How can be coming nearby God? He is showing this world is only useless, like dead body, burnt and then ash is made. His body will be ashes. Shiva giving knowledge, but people cannot following. Now, एक कर्ता दुई कर्मे नहीं अधिकारी ज्ञान पदे कर्म जो नहीं फल ना फल नहीं धरी ये देह धरिया किछु फल नहीं यार वैद्य शंकर देव नहीं अधिकार ये देह राखिया मोर नहीं प्रयोजन केवल कुत्सित मोर पूजन ही जन्म. Then she is thinking Sati, why get what this father near? Now he is against of Shankar. I cannot worshipping him, cannot serving him, not favorable anybody, like anybody, like to gain pure knowledge for. Then people by force sending karma for. Then he lost his own knowledge. Then saying, one person, he took shelter, he is surrender, he is not doer. And doer, then independent, he cannot offering oneself. Offering oneself, God does it, then he is servant God. He is called followers. is called one bhakta devotee. But now there is insulting in Shiva. I am worshipping Shiva. I am following in Shiva. They know like this. Okay, this father will no more my relations. I can like this father and no like this family. I am now living. No more here. I can stay. No giving anybody identity. This father which I get part. This father is now present and he is insulting me. I cannot like no. Ebol boliya devi bosila dhyane jogpate koila devi chitto samadhane শিব চরণারবিন্দ হৃদয়ে ধরিয়া যোগপতি নিজ দেহ আগুনি জ্বালিয়া শরীর পড়াইয়া দেবী শিবলোকে গেল তিন লোকে হাহাকার শব্দ উঠিল নাও দেবী sitting and doing yoga sitting and asana and doing yoga heart is complete controlling senses controlling all soul sending Shivaloka, Shivasriya. And saying, I am now neglecting you, now I am understanding. Please you accepting me. I am not like this body more. This is gift for my father and mother. But they are trying to controlling me. Something offering, like some person giving you on a cloth. And telling, and places, telling, you are my followers, now my servants. How will be this? Somebody giving food and lodge, then telling you are my servant. Not possible. Soul is pure soul part and parcel. Not is body's part and parcel. Body come from parents, but soul not come from parents. Soul come from pure soul beyond. Therefore, this pure soul, what knowledge anybody has, then they are following his on pure soul. Now, Soti say, no more I am your followers, no more relation. She is within yoga, living in this body and gone Shivaloka. And fire is, which is, she is burning this body with yoga. Giving fire. And body is burned, then all Brahmaloka, Shivaloka, and Pataloka, everywhere, and big now problem coming. Who is giving solution? Who solving? Who is helping? All are disturbed. Disturbed. কোন জানে সতীদেবী কইল অজ্ঞান কোন বাণীকে বলিল পাইল অপমান সতীদেবী শরীর ছাড়িল কি কারণে এর নানা বাণী বলে সর্বজনে all are asking who is disobey is Sati Mahasati Devi who is insulting how is living body she is living body all are now discussing হেনকালে শঙ্কর পারিষদগণ জানিয়া সাক্ষাতে সতী দেবীর মরণ অস্ত্র তুলি ধাইলা তারা মারিবার করে হেনকালে ভিক্ষুমণি কোন যুক্তি করে now Shankar forward watching Sati's living body and burn very angry very disturbed okay sadhus bhaktas you are disturbing okay now punishment coming for you you look at this at a time they are taking trident taking sword taking hook stone and adopting all Brahmins and Dakha Prajapati and all assembly all demigods everybody is adopting now Bhrigurishi Brahma's son his Bhiguri is laughing and smiling and insulting Shiva that Bhigumuni now offering his Yajna Kunda fire sacrifice places offering mantra and many ribu many soldiers armies come fighting for with them whom the Shiva's followers যেই মাত্র কুণ্ডে ওম কইলা মুনিবর কুণ্ড হইতে ঋষিগণ উঠিলা সত্তর মহা ভয়ঙ্কর তারা দিব্য অস্ত্র ধরে দুই গণে যুদ্ধ হয় পৃথিবী উপরে শিবগণে ব্রহ্মতে সইতে না পারি চৌদিকে পলাইয়া গেল ভয়ের রহন ছাড়ি this fire from come many soldiers army there is Brahmadev Brahma Shakti. Brahm means creating them. And Shiva Shakti, Shiva followers, he afraid the Ram and gone.